Hey there, and welcome once again to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey where we'll delve into the incredible possibilities of how artificial intelligence can transform a modest $100 into a staggering $1,000 within just 7 short days. If you're somebody who has ever pondered on the power of technology to boost your financial aspirations, you've come to the right place. We'll kick off this amazing adventure by presenting you with some of the most advanced AI tools around that are creating a stir in the realm of financial decisions. These aren't just some fancy tech gadgets. They're invaluable resources that can aid you in making well-informed choices and optimize the potential of your investments. We'll walk you through each step of this transformative process, highlighting the strategies we employ, the challenges we face, and the valuable lessons we glean along the way. Throughout this captivating week, we will closely observe these strategies, details of the challenges we face, and the rich lessons we obtain. This isn't only about the numbers, it's also about grasping the immense potential of AI in the financial world, and how this technological breakthrough can open up fresh opportunities. As we journey along this exciting path, you'll be treated to real-time updates, capturing the electrifying thrill of witnessing your own money work wonders for you. We'll share valuable tips and insights along the way, ensuring you have all the necessary knowledge to replicate this remarkable success for yourself. For whether you're already an experienced investor or just beginning your financial path, there's something extraordinary here for everyone. Throughout this extraordinary week, we'll take you through the vital strategies we employ, the obstacles we face, and the valuable lessons we learn. This journey isn't solely about dollars. It's about recognizing the vast potential of AI in the financial world and how it can open up doors to fresh opportunities for growth. And as we culminate this captivating experiment, you'll not only witness the incredible transformation of our $100, but also gain invaluable insights into how you can harness technology to achieve the dreams of secure financial success. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to ensure you stay informed about more content that empowers you in controlling your financial future. Let's make a remarkable fortune together, and remember, the future is bright when you embrace innovation.